So Russ and I are going on an adventure. We're checking things out, see what's up. We're out here in Mason Valley. There's probably 50 lakes, little ponds out here, and they have a fish hatchery out here. So we're going to put some miles on the bike and see what there is to see. Just a lot of nice area out here by Urington. Okay, yeah. I'm recording, so I'm not worried about, I'm having a problem with my phone staying connected, but we're connected to a camera. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm looking. Looks good. Here's one. Here's a pond. This is all managed by somebody, fish hatchery. And then I think they collect some fish from the hatchery and distribute them to lakes. Real pretty. Well, let's see here. Into the ride about 18 minutes and nice little trails that we can go in and just enjoy the day. It's about 56 degrees. Supposed to warm up some. Really nice though. Stroll. I'm used to wearing my shock absorbers out in the rocks. This is a treat here. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, it's doing great. All right, 31 minutes into our journey and still heading southeast, looking for waterfowl, wildlife. Feels like they may have gotten some rain here because the sand feels a little dense, which is good for us. Beautiful fall day almost, a few more days. It's like the outback, real pretty. Yeah, okay, following you, Russ. Yeah, we're in sticker heaven here. Sticker heaven for tires. Alright, we're trying some other stuff. Russ is leading the way today. Looking for a hill to climb, but you're pretty far away. Nice and sandy, I guess, as we turn it around. Yeah, all the ponds are grown over with cattails. And yeah, weren't really expecting that, but there it is. So what do you do? Still amazing. Dried up pond. It's September, so still have a little bit of time left, some nice riding to do. Next week, Russ and I are going on a couple overnight trip. It's gonna be a nice ride. See some bighorn sheep. Be great. Really sandy. And second thought, I wouldn't want to bring Brenda here. This would be difficult for anybody that's not a gravel road rider. And her bike's not set up for gravel roads. Really nice though. For me, I love it. Looks like they did some cleanup over there. Oh, where? I didn't see it. There's one flying late in the nesting season. They're long done with that. Hey, Russ, your bag's open in the back.
Yes?
Yep, about 4 inches. There you go. Yeah, okay. 54 minutes into our ride. It's just a beautiful day. It's in nature. When was this developed, do you think? Years ago? Because it's, yeah, I have to look at that and see, because whatever the purpose was, it needs some abatement done on it. It's there, we just can't see it. Yeah.
Pond on the north side. I think it's the cooling pond that's supposed to have a lot of fish in it.
The big square one?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Exactly,
Yeah. Keeps you on your toes a little bit, this road. I'm looking for goat head bushes and whatnot and trying to steer clear of them, but it's not up to me. It's up to the good Lord. Just put your faith in Him and live with all the outcomes, and you'll have a blessed life. A lot of gnats. That sounded like a mallard. October, November, still 3 months away from season. Is that a duck blind out there, Russ?
Yeah, look at that. Probably is. Yeah, terrible spot to put one though, because most of the time you hunt in the morning, so
you're gonna have sun in your face.
Right? Put them on the western side and the eastern side, so you're shooting west.
Yeah, this is real pretty. Just enjoying time. Not really windy, a little off breeze. A little pond water running along the side of the road here like an irrigation ditch on my left. Northern Harriers, I think it's a falcon, run up and down these looking for frogs and insects and things. Real nice though. Russ is out here trying to get us lost. We're doing a pretty good job too. I swallowed a gnat, inhaled a gnat a while back, and it hasn't dissolved in my throat yet, and so it's still stuck in there. I feel its little wings fluttering, trying to get out of my throat. Here, let me swallow. Yeah, that's better. Poor little guy. You can always tell a happy bike rider by the bugs in his teeth. Just what a pretty day, though. Hey, don't fall over in that fence, Russ. Yeah, huh? Whole lot of the same. You see, falls in the air. Yeah, so the hot wire has a... Man, that is a big area. That's a good sized battery there. It looks like a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 volt battery. Cyclops. Stored energy, 10 joules. Output energy, 8 joules. Yeah, so, yeah, don't touch it. It's got its own charger. That's a wonderful thing. What do you think, Papa? Some nice land out here, huh? I know what you're thinking. Get on the other side of that electric fence or you're going to get zapped. Can I teach you anything? Yeah, you taught me. You told me to touch that wire once. So, I'm a fast learner. Closed to fishing. This gravel, the sand really pulls the energy out of your momentum. Just always wanting you to roll to a stop. So I'm putting a little more energy into today's excursion than I normally do on, say, asphalt road. Let's see here. An hour and 31 minutes. Average mile per hour 6.1. 88 on my heart rate and 9.37 miles. That's a good day. Enjoying it a lot. Weather's fabulous. It might be 60 degrees now. Here's the sandiness. This is where you fall over if you get out of the trench. Ooh, without speed. Like that. Like that. Oh, what fun. Whee! Watch out for that thing. Great adventure. I'm glad Russ is mapping the way. Just a follower today. Years ago, I worked on a project out here. 14 years ago. Company came in and put a whole bunch of solar panels out here, and some of the bracketry needed repaired or modification. And there were maybe, I don't know, 200 and something panels out here. I mean 2,000 something panels out here, and I did repair, I think, on about 120 of them over the course of a week. Fun project. They were all automated. They followed the sun throughout the course of the day. And the reason I tell you this is because I looked up at my 9 o'clock, from my direction of travel and I see the power plant. So just reminded me of that. Better days today. Pay attention or you're gonna go down. Goat head right there. Bushes. A bit of water. What's my split say? We're coming up on some stuff right here. Beautiful. It looks like a gravel road that has a chain across it that says don't stay out, come on through. So probably do that. Wow, look at this ranch. This is nice. Crossing the creek that we've been looking for the last hour and a half. Yep. Egret. Big old egret. Look at that. I thought he had a fish. I thought he had a fish in his talons. Hey, Russ. I don't know. And not working. Well, I guess we can't get in there. But we're going away from the pond this way. I think I missed that's the boundary line is what that is like before. Well, oh well. You know, I think that's part of the power plant. I think that's part of the power plant. It's cooling pond. That's what that is. If it's a cooling pond, it's cooling the water like a... Yeah, oh well. I'm not going to keep chasing it. We'd have to go through the gate. You have to drag your bike under the fence right here. I'll pass. Yeah, you gotta walk in.
That's what it is. You gotta walk in. But how do you climb over the gate?
No, there's underneath, right there. That's why I said you'd have to lay your bike down, drag it under the fence. Yeah, I ain't gonna do that. He was right here. I didn't have my camera on. He almost hit me. He went, two of them, and then there was another one just right in there. How about if we have lunch here? This looks like a great place, huh? I think the river's right there. I had a turkey go in front of me before you came around the corner, yeah. He went in here.
Turkeys.
All right, I think we're good now with the audio. What a great trip this was. I have to go have a look at the... What's that? Yeah, where we're going. Yeah, isn't that the building we parked at? Yeah, what a great trip. What great country we live in. Yes, please. It's like the last of the great outdoors. Nevada Department of Wildlife, Mason Valley Fish Hatchery. Funding provided by Nevada Trout Stamp Program. I'm gonna go up those stairs, Russ. I'm gonna walk up those stairs. See him. Boy, look at them all. Wow. Babies. Let's let them jump. It's a nice big hatchery. I think Mom and Dad and Dave and Kathleen and I went and pushed Dave around the hatchery one year out by them. It says brown trout right here. Don't see any now. How beautiful though. Wow. Nice ride today. Almost 20 miles, 19.76 miles today on the bike. Yeah, it was fun. Hi, everybody. Length of a football field. Yeah, really. Length of a football field.